shot from the trailer. See the birds? 4 or 3? Yeah, 3. 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, 4 birdies. So, are we bringing them home or?
I don't know what to do with them when we bring them home.
And this is where we got them. The trailer is light, something. Good thing Rick was able to hear them. Heard them when he was hitching up the trailer.
How I saw it.
This is where we found, where Rick found them.
I don't know how I saw it, otherwise it would have went for a ride. He probably would have fell out.
Yeah. So imagine how the mom kept them here, and there's not even a single tree around here. So she's so smart. Kapuri-puri naman yung mga nanay. Kahit ano ka pa, kahit hayop ka pa, ibon ka pa, or tao, iba talagang magmahal yung mga nanay. Imagine, eto yung place. Hindi siya normal place for birds. Pero naitago pa niya dun sa safe place. Although, akala siguro niya safe talaga dun kasi akala niya hindi namin kukuhanin pa yung trailer. Pero, we'll make sure na mabuhay sila, yung mga babies. So sad na mahihiwalay sila sa mami nila. And, we've been looking for any birdie here. Siguro nagtago siya sa amin. Alam niya, may mga tao. So, kawawa naman yung mga birdie. Nilagay namin sila sa safe place. Ayan, sa loob ng trailer. Tapos, ayan yung trailer. So, dadalhin namin sila sa bahay. We're on our way home. Malungkot man na sabihin na dinala pa rin namin yung mga ibon kahit na hindi namin nakita yung nanay. Feeling ko nga baka nandun lang siya, tinitignan lang niya kami kung anong gagawin namin doon sa mga anak niya. Pero ayaw din naman namin iwan doon yung ibon kasi baka mamatay lang. So dinala na lang namin. It's either alagaan namin or pag-uusapan muna namin ni Ray kung ano yung gagawin namin doon sa mga ibon. Kawawa naman kasi, pero na-feel ko yung lungkot kasi na-feel ko pagbalik ng nanay, wala na yung mga anak niya. Parang ang sakit sa dibdib bilang nanay din. Kaya yun, pag-uwi na lang namin, tingnan namin anong gagawin sa ibon. Hold on,
So
babies.
it's like I mean, if you had
We're
if you had like a baby formula or something like that, that would work. Yeah.
calling the rescue team for you. They're so cute, Chris. We have found out that these birds are called house finches, and it's illegal to keep wild birds more than 24 hours. Therefore, we have to bring them to the sanctuary to be taken care of. And we have to rush getting there as they're closing in 20 minutes. save the birdies. Here we are driving. We got here just right in time, and this lady is waiting for us so we can turn over the birds. And I guess this is the end of the birds' journey with us. I say my bye bye, birdies. Nice meeting you. See you next time.